Are you frustrated with your situation and cannot find a solution to your problem? Are you like this woman whose hair is falling out? Or is your hair receding back further and further? Do you brush your hair and chunks of your hair falls out? Or are you like the women in this picture? Can you resonate with the women in this video? And have you been feeling like this for a long time? Is your hair falling out? Do you know why you're losing your hair? And is this normal? Or are you like this woman whose chunks of hair is in a hairbrush? Universal Hair Secrets Workshop event is on the 17th of July at 7 p.m. Come and listen and learn the causes of hair loss and what to eat, what to drink, what products to use to prevent hair loss. But you need to change your mindset. Just reach out, and there are people there who can help you. You are not alone. Come and listen to our guest speakers at the workshop. Universal Hair's workshop event is on 17th of July at 7 p.m. via Zoom. Come and register.